Hi there, this is Lorena Grant, and I am wanted to show you how to access QuickBooks Online's sample file through your accountant account. So this is a QuickBooks Online accountant account, and this is how you access that sample file um, within your software. So you go on the cog over here on the right hand corner, and you choose sample company. It's going to move you over to the new sample company. So open it up. Okay, and within this is called Craig's Design Landscaping Services. So you can run different scenarios. Like if you wanted to run an invoice, you could create an invoice. Um, if you wanted to do a chart of accounts, you could do different things, scenarios. In the future, I'm going to actually use a sample company that I created to be able to run, do these tutorial videos with. And I'm going to teach you how to connect your QuickBooks to your bank account soon. And I also intend on creating, if you're not able to connect your accounts, how to download your information to be able to upload to QuickBooks. Um, and then run different scenarios um, in tutorials. So if you're new to the channel and excuse me, and be on our lookout for that very soon. Um, I look forward to helping you, and hope you got some value from this video, and hope you have a blessed day. If you got value from my video today and you'd like to learn more on how you might be able to make money passively from home online, be sure and sign up to my newsletter for more information at lorenagrant.com. And be sure and like and subscribe. We thank you for stopping by today and hope you have a blessed day.